The one major thing this show has made me realize is how happy I am to be in my mid-30s. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. I'm a film critic. This is my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, click that red subscribe button if you like my work. Please and thank you. Today, let's talk about the Prajakta Kodi Rohit Saraf starrer Mismatch Season 2 now streaming on Netflix. YA shows remind me how I'm not YA anymore, and I tend to forget them soon after watching, perhaps maybe subconsciously out of spite. Jokes aside, Mismatch Season 1 managed to stay with me because of its commitment to its curiously outlandish premise. That of some 18-year-olds meeting in a tech camp of sorts in the middle of Rajasthan in a bid to develop an app and win an internship. Sure, each student was one type. Writer Ghazal Dhaliwal, who adapted the novel When Dimple Met Rishi by Sandhya Menon, created Indian characters that felt real, relatable, and reminiscent of a time when we knew or were these people. The superficial challenges of being a young adult have changed. We didn't want to be coders, gamers, and influencers back then, but the deeper internal struggles remain the same. Body image issues, attraction to others, learning how to make space in the world. Season 2 shares writing credits between Ghazal Dhaliwal, Arsh Vora, Nandini Gupta, and Akshay Jhunjhunwala, and I'm not sure how the responsibilities were shared amongst them, but it feels like each writer was given separate episodes to write because the show is wildly inconsistent in its tonality. Okay, so each episode has a different character with an internal monologue, right? A cheesy and tired trope to use, but one we will permit if you're going to do something interesting or new with it. Phoebe Waller-Bridge didn't invent the fourth wall break, did she? Now here the writers try to do something creative with the internal monologue, and I see the attempt to observe that two kids seemingly might be dealing with completely different issues in life, but both might equally be feeling their worlds are about to end. Except this attempt to find common ground among everyone at this poorly written tech workshop set up in Rajasthan fails to keep the episodic storylines together, offering only basic insights into the type these people we already know are.
Whoa, hold on. तुमने मुझे किस किया?
Mismatch Season 2 then takes the voiceover device, throws it into a blender with exposition, labored acting, hard to believe subplots, a bunch of songs, resulting in a chunky smoothie I will sample and forget even faster. Coming back to the inconsistency I mentioned earlier. Now, when the show works, it works really well. I see its appeal. Watching two people understand each other better by way of falling in love is always wonderful and sweet, harking back to a time when the world wasn't falling to pieces because we simply didn't know that it was. Rohit Saraf as Rishi in particular shines as a performer, head and shoulders above the rest of the cast, going toe-to-toe with Suhasini Mule, holding his own with captivating screen presence. Also shout out to Vihan Samant, who gets to expand as an actor in this season, occupy more space. He gets one of the few better written parts and plays Indian American Harsh with a likable ease. The rest of the cast struggles to catch up. An influencer continues to be the influencer stereotype. A poor girl gets to do some terrible raps. A businesswoman is pigeonholed as boss lady. A hot professor skating by only basis being hot professor. Little to no effort is made to make him look like someone who understands how to make apps, apparently. Speaking of, the apps are bizarre as all hell. At one point, we're in VR, singing, dancing, kissing. We're told that this is Gen Z, but all of them are dressed by and like millennials. Titanic and Lion King references are not it. तुम मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. अब शाहरुख खान ने भी ये लाइन कहनी छोड़ दी है. The actors periodically forget that they're supposed to be playing 18-year-olds or 19. When it is Heartstopper, it manages to stay light and breezy. But when it takes a turn towards euphoria, Mismatch Season 2 falls way short.
What exactly does Bhusad Bappu mean?
At the risk of now contradicting myself, is the show terrible? No, it's cute as all hell. Jugal Hansraj drops by occasionally, the dancing is adorable. Anmol, played by Tarok Raina, finally gets a backstory which I hope won't absolve him of his terrible gaming streamer dude bro attitude, but it's quite nice. I don't like the ageist jokes aimed at Vidya Malvade, but I like that the show lets her own her age. Prajakta Kodi is sweet and earnest, but this season her character is only given the love story arc to play within. Very little of who we were told Dimple is as a person comes through. It's constantly one step forward, two steps back. Over this weekend, if you have a few hours to fill, आप देख लीजिए Netflix पर and then decide for yourself if you really needed characters to say out loud the line, अभी back out कर लिया तो उसको लगेगा उसकी वजह से कर रहे हैं. When you are seeing characters wondering कि अभी back out कर लिया तो उसको लगेगा उसकी वजह से कर रहे हैं.
Sing Shekhawat. I think I'm going to be calling you Sheku.
I think you will not.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Mismatch Season 2 is 50 megapixel का हो कैमरा या 100 megapixel, something दिल के लेंस से दे. I mean, I do believe we stopped measuring camera की शक्ति in megapixels around the time we started using cameras to make video. Or like Y2K fashion, is Gen Z also bringing back megapixels? बता दो भाई please comments में. I don't know. How many megapixels should my phone have? जाने से पहले my request as always subscribe to the channel. Please Black Adam का review भी किया है, अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो देख लीजिए. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.